when you calculate the arithmetic mean, you need to assign weight to that in order to know the priority, in order to know the importance. For calculating the discrete series, you have what? You have formula n plus 1 divided by 2 item by using cumulative frequency. The formulas for median, if n, the number of observation is odd, then the median formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2th observation. Hello everybody, I am your Divya ma'am, lecturing Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, Mysuru, the Temple of Excellence. Today I welcome you all for the session 3, that is on your chapter 5, Measure of Central Tendency. Moving forward, the topic for today's discussion, weighted arithmetic mean, median formula, problems and the solution. So in the last class, my dear students, we have discussed regarding the arithmetic mean for the calculation of both grouped data as well as ungrouped data under direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. In today's class, we'll be discussing about median for grouped data as well as your ungrouped data. So what is this ungrouped data? When you have individual series given in the question, that is ungrouped data, what is the formula for median? And when the grouped data, your discrete series and continuous series is given, what is the formula? That we'll be looking in today's class. Moving forward, let's understand weighted arithmetic mean. So what do you mean by weighted arithmetic mean? Sometimes it is important to assign the weights to various items according to their importance. So when you calculate the arithmetic mean, you need to assign weight to that in order to know the priority, in order to know the importance. So for example, there are two commodities, mango and potato. You are interested in finding out the average price of both mango and potato, the arithmetic mean will be. However, you might want to give more importance to the rise in price of the potato. So as I have told you, potato price and the tomato price will not be the same. To do this, you may use as weights to share the prices of it. How will you compute? Weight 1, commodity 1 plus weight plus commodity 2 whole divided by weight 1 plus weight 2. So this is how you compute. So this weight you will learn in the next chapters, that is your index number. Moving forward, let us see median in today's class. So what is median? It is one of the popular method of measure of central tendency. Median simply means the middlemost value of a data. So if it is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so simply 6 will be the median. So the middlemost value of a given observation will be the median, which divides the observation into two equal different parts. Median is that positional value of the variable which divides the distribution into two equal parts. As I have told you, one part comprises all value greater than or equal to the median, the other comprises the lesser values. To find out the median, what you have to do, you have to arrange the data into ascending order. When we look after the problems, at that time we'll be discussing how you can arrange the data and then compute the median. The median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in an order of the magnitude. So what will be the median? The median will be the middle element. As I have told you, the middlemost value in the observation is called as what? Median. Since the median is determined by the position of the different values, it remains unaffected with the sizes. Moving forward, how to compute the median? The median can be easily computed by sorting out the data. As I have told you, by arranging the data in an ascending order. The formulas for median, if n, the number of observation is odd, then the median formula will be n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. And if the number of observation is even, what is the formula? N divided by 2 plus n divided by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2 will be the median formula. So this is when the number of observation is odd, and with this formula is when the number of observation is even. Moving further, let us look at the problem by individual series, by ungrouped data. Suppose we have the following observation in a data set given 5, 7, 6, 1, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 3. So what is this? 5, 7, 6, 1, 8, that is the ungrouped data. So what you people have to do first, in order to calculate the median, you people have to arrange them into ascending order. So what is ascending order? From small number to big number. What is the first small number we have? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 12. So this is what? These are the numbers of observations that we have put into an order. Of magnitude has been followed. Here we are arranging the numbers into ascending order. So how to compute the median now? What is the number of observation we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the observation. What is n? N is 9. 9 is an even number or an odd number? It is an odd number. So what is number of observation? 9 is the number of observation. So 9 is which number? Odd number. So what is the formula for odd number? N plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So this is the formula for the problem. So now 9th item. So n is what? 9. 9 plus 1 divided by 2. Let's use the calculator. 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2, the answer will be 5. Fifth observation. So what is the fifth observation in the given data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth observation is 6. So 6 will be the median. So half of the values, it cuts into lesser number, and this will be the more number. The middle score is 6. So the median is 6. Half of the scores are larger, as I have told you, since the median cuts into the equal half. Half will be the larger, half will be the smaller. Moving forward, we have discrete series. How can we calculate the median for discrete series? So let us look at that. In case of discrete series, the position of the median, that is n plus 1 divided by tooth item. So by using cumulative frequency. So what you have to do in your median for calculating the discrete series, you have what? You have formula n plus 1 divided by tooth item by using cumulative frequency, by locating what? Cumulative frequency. The corresponding value at this position is the value of the median. So this will be the cumulative frequency. The corresponding value, what will have an F, that will be what? Your median. So let us look at your problem. The frequency distribution of a number of persons and their respective income. So number of persons and the income. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Number of persons 2, 4, 10 and 4. So in order to calculate the median income, you should prepare the frequency distribution table as given. So this is what? This will be your income in rupees. This is the number of persons. So what is the formula now? N plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So how do you know n now? So in the X series, we used to do it. The number of observation we used to count. But here we have to add this number. So if we add this number of persons, that is what is given in the question, we will get what? This is F, this is X. Oh, so if we add this, we'll get the number of observation. 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4. It will be how much? 20. So the number of observation is what? 20. And how did we do this cumulative frequency? It's nothing but adding 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 10, it is 16. 16 plus 4, it is 20. Accumulating means adding the numbers. So 2 plus 4, it is 6. 6 plus 10, it is 16. 16 plus 4, it is 20. So let's solve the problem. What is the number of observation given? 20 plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Okay, so 20 plus 1, it is 21. 21 divided by 2, it is how much? 10.5. So 10.5. So where is 10.5? It is here in between this 10.5. So your median will be, so 10.5th observation. So your cumulative frequency will be under 16, 10.5. So the answer, the income corresponding to this will be 30. So I'll repeat, listen carefully. So your N, substituting the formula, you got 10.5. So where does 10.5 lies? In between these two numbers, 6.6 to 16.5. So in between this number, your 10.5 lies. So in between this number, your 10.5 lies. So the 10.5, where it is? It is in the this number. So corresponding to the frequency number, it is 30. So income in rupees is what? 30. So your median will be 30. So corresponding 10.5th item. So corresponding to that frequency you have is 30. So 30 is your median. The median is located in 10.5th observation. So this can be easily located through cumulative frequency. The 10.5th observation lies in the cumulative frequency of 16. As I have told you, the income corresponding to this is what? Rupees 30. So the median of income is 30. Moving further, now we have continuous series. So continuous series comes under grouped data. So ungrouped data means individual series, group data, discrete and continuous series. So in case of continuous series, you have to locate the median. The class will be n plus tooth item. So first you have to compute n divided by 2, and with the help of this we can substitute the other things in the formula. So let us look at the formula first. Median is equal to lower limit plus n divided by 2 whole divided by frequency minus cumulative frequency into C. So what does this L stands for? L stands for lower limit of the median class. What is n divided by 2? It is the number of observation. What is F? Frequency of the middle class. And what is CF? CF is the cumulative frequency. And what is this C? C is the magnitude of the median class interval. So we have upper limit as well as lower limit. So upper limit and lower limit. So U minus L, upper limit and lower limit. If you do that, you'll get your C. Moving forward, how do we get all these value? Lower limit of the median class, cumulative frequency, you will get it. Preceding to the median class, you will get frequency. So in your cumulative frequency, first you have to locate what? Cumulative frequency. In that cumulative frequency, preceding to that number, whatever it is, that will be the F, and preceding to that will be your lower limit as well as upper limit. Moving forward, let's look at the problem and look at the solution, what you will get. Following data relates to daily wages of a person working in a factory. So, person working in a factory, and what are their daily wages? So, the daily wages in rupees 55 to 60, 50 to 55, 45 to 50, 40 to 45, 35 to 40, 30 to 35, 25 to 30, 20 to 25. See, the numbers are arranged in a magnitude or order? No, it is not. So, it has to be put into an ascending order and then calculate the median. So, what number starts first? 20 to 25, 25 to 30, it has given opposite. So 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. And what are the number of workers? How many number of workers we have? And for 20 to 25, 14 workers. So that is also opposite we have to write. So arranging the numbers in an ascending order. So 28, 33, like that oppositely we have to take, since the magnitude, the given data is not put into an order. The data is arranged in an descending order here. So we have to arrange them into ascending order. So in the above illustration, median class is the value of n by tooth item. So how we'll calculate that? Number of observation is how much? 14 plus 28 plus 33 plus 30 plus 20 plus 15 plus 13 plus 7. So it is how much? 160. So how do you calculate this n? N divided by 2. So 160 divided by 2, you will get 80. So 80 is the n divided by 2. So how did we get this n? By adding this column, F column. By adding this frequency column, we got what? We got the numbers into 160, and if we divide it by 2, we'll get it what? 80. So what is the formula of median for continuous series? Lower limit, median is equal to lower limit plus n divided by 2 whole divided by F minus cumulative frequency into C, or it is also called as H. Sometimes it also will be interpreted as H. So what is the lower limit? We got 80. So in cumulative frequency, where 80 stands, in between 75 to 105. 105 will be having what? 80 number. So 105 in this cumulative number, it is cumulative frequency, 80 stands. So corresponding to that number will be your frequency. So lower limit, your upper limit, and this is what your cumulative frequency. Okay, so n divided by 2, 80th item. So 80 in the median, it stands in between this number 105. So this will be what? This will be corresponding number will be what? 30 lower limit and upper limit, and this is cumulative. 75 will be a cumulative frequency. If you substitute all these values to the formula, you will get median. So let's substitute. Lower limit 35 plus n divided by 2, 80 divided by frequency 30 minus cumulative frequency 75 into upper limit minus lower limit 40 minus 35. So let's substitute the values and solve the problem. So 35 will be the lower limit, 80 is the n divided by 2, frequency is 30 and cumulative frequency is 75, and 40 minus 35, that is upper limit and lower limit. So let's substitute the values by using the calculator and find out the median. 35 plus 80 divided by 30 minus 75 into 5. So the answer you will get is 35.83 is the answer that you get for the median. This means that 50% of the workers are getting less than or equal to rupees 35.83, or 50% of the workers are getting more than or equal to this wages. So that's it for today. Hope the problems which we have discussed was interesting and you people have learned how to compute the median by the various formulas that we have seen for grouped data as well as ungrouped data. So in the next class we'll be computing mode. So stay tuned, stay blessed, and keep learning. Smile is the biggest jewel you can wear. So keep smiling, people. Thank you.